One of the biggest stories of Operation Sindoor is victory on the back of Atmanirbhar Bharat, a fact not many people know. For example, this LSV or the light specialist vehicle we are on is made in India, and this, according to the army, is quite a game changer. With me is a young Indian Army major who brought down very effective fire on the Pakistani positions and destroyed a Pakistani post. Major, describe to us your movement on the LSV.
During Op Sindoor, this vehicle's limits were tested, and in amidst the heavy fire, this vehicle was able to bring troops, weapons, ammunition to the forward posts amidst heavy fire, and nothing happened to this vehicle, and in that way this vehicle was a game changer on the battlefield.
And the best thing is, one, it's made in India.
Yeah.
Two, very, very powerful. I think 3,800 horsepower engine.
Yeah, absolutely. The engine is very powerful. Its armor is quite good. Bullet doesn't penetrate through it, and the shells, the splinters, they do nothing. It has no effect on this vehicle.
During Op Sindoor, how did you use this vehicle, and especially in this area? This was one of the worst impacted areas along the international border.
Absolutely. This vehicle, as you can see the terrain is quite undulating. It is full of marshy land. You can see it's a desert kind of terrain. And in this terrain, this kind of vehicle, which requires heavy off-roading, this vehicle proved to be a game changer. And induction of troops, induction of ammunition was done on this vehicle. And with the help of that, we were able to bring down effective fire on the enemy and completely destroy enemy's forward posts.
The army had to move some of its mortars to be able to strike deeper into enemy territory and in the line of fire. So you had one team that was crouching, literally running in the line of fire, shifting its enemy mortars. The other team on this was quickly moving men and material, and also this is capable of firing that Concorde missile.
Yeah, while we were moving from one place to another place, and we were simultaneously utilizing our anti-tank weapons from this vehicle also, because of which the enemy's fire got silenced, and we were able to effectively pin down the enemy and bring down heavy fire on the enemy.
The ingenuity of the Indian mind, the jugaad when required, this can be used to fly drones to keep an eye on the enemy. It can be used to fire a missile, an anti-tank guided missile. And what is very fascinating, and we'll show you images, how ATGM was shifted from one location to the other, very close to the enemy, in the line of fire, and you destroyed one of his biggest posts in this area where he was keeping an eye on you.
Yes, that post consisted of high-resolution cameras. The entire ISR grid was based on that post, and with the help of ATGM missiles fired from this very vehicle, we were able to destroy his complete ISR grid and completely blind him that night, and because of which he was not able to bring down effective fire on us.
This vehicle is being used extensively to move men and material, restock, to be able to give him a bloody nose once again, should it be required.
Yes, Pakistanis, as you can say, they have utter disregard for the international border, utter disdain for the international border, and they were the first ones to open up unprovoked firing on us, and then we gave them a befitting reply. Heavy volume of fire was brought on them, and it forced them to vacate the post and run away.
Made in India weapons were the game changer in this battle, because when you're fighting an adversary like Pakistan, and there's another message here, the message is also for the adversary on the north. Made in India weapons that are battle tested, made in India weapons that have proven their capability in this conflict.